So what do we got? What do we got next?
Well, we have a biscuit.
A biscuit?
It's got some cheddar in it, and this one in particular, I threw in a little jalapeño.
Wow. Now these are amazing. It's like cornbread.
Yeah, it has a cornbread consistency. It's a biscuit, but there's no wheat in it.
You're going to love this with butter.
Yeah, they're really good. They're really good around the holidays. I mean, any dinner, super simple. And
it's amazing. It tastes just like cornbread.
Well, there you go. But there's no corn in it.
It's cornless bread.
It's a biscuit.
It's cornless cornbread.
Okay, we're going to make it. Let's make it.
Okay, so to get the recipe,
Click the link below. Hey, Charlie, click the link below.
check it out.